Today we have this HP 15 AC laptop. Is another one. We need to change the hard drive, but before we changing the hard drive, I'll show you in this video how you can adjust the hinges. You see the hinges are really extremely hard on this one. So since we are opening up to replace the hard drive, we are going to adjust the hinges as well. We already removed the screws. Okay, so let's see. Now, in order to adjust the hinges on this model, we'll need to take out the hinges. Okay, so let's remove the screws. Let's get a tray. Okay, and we'll do this as well. You see, they're not broken yet, but if we leave it like this, they're not gonna be okay for a long time. So there's another screw in here where the fan is. I think I need to remove the fan altogether. Okay, so no more screws, right? Now I need to remove the screen. The battery is out, charger is out, so we're safe to remove the screen. I also have to remove the antenna cable. There's only one antenna in this one, right? And now let's open it a little bit. So we move the hinges. Wow, super hard. Okay, so let's do this for the customer. Okay. Ah man, I need to take everything out. Okay, so now we need to take away the frame. Okay. Okay, so the frame is out. Let's move this a little more. Okay. And now we have access to the screws. You see the screws in here, one in here, one in here, right? So first of all, we're gonna clean the dust in here. And we're gonna make sure this is properly tight. 1, 2, and 3. You see they're moving, so 1, 2. Whoa, they're moving. Okay, now we're gonna get the screwdriver. Let me see if I have it. This looks like bigger than the one I have, so I might need to do it with let's see. Okay, 5.5. So this is like 6 or something, right? Let's see. Okay, that's okay. We don't have any 6, so we are going to use something else, right? Okay, how can I do it? So this one you have to unscrew it towards me, right? I think the safest way would be to remove the hinges, right? And this goes 1, 2, Wow, let's see. Okay, this is better. I'll go a bit more. Okay, and this one is hard. So let's see. I'm grabbing this screw. One, two, let's see. A little more, a little more. Okay. Oh, better, much better. Okay. There we go. Just a tiny more. Let's see. Better in this one. Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's too much. Let's go. Let's see. Better. Perfect. Perfect. So again, you see, you have these screws in here, one in here, and one on the other side. Let's make sure that everything is nice and tight in here. Okay. I'm gonna put the frame back, and we're going to start in the corner. And now this has clips. Okay, perfect. Now what we want to do, we want to come with the chassis. Okay, one, and two, right? Close this. Okay, so we have 3 screws in here. One, two, and 3. And on this side, I think I have to put the fan. Okay. And now the fan had 1 screw in here. And then we have 1 screw in here. 1 screw in here. Perfect. And then 1 screw in here. You see? Okay, so let's put these cables back, right? I think the antenna goes first. Okay. And now we have this one. Okay. And now we have this one. Okay. Oh wait, we have to go this one to here. Like this, right? Oh, but this goes in here as well. You want to make sure that it's away from this screw hole. Okay. Plug in the cable. connect the antenna. Okay, so we got all the screws, right? Let's just make sure this is in, this is in, perfect. Now I can put the cover, can put the battery, and let's see. Much better. You see, much better. Beautiful. So this was the video on how to adjust the hinges. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.